Launching an app, you know how important App Store screenshots are. They are the first impression user get, and trust me, a professional screenshot can make a huge difference. With the app launchpad, you can easily customize ready-made App Store and Play Store screenshot templates. No design skills needed. Just pick a template, drop your app screens, and adjust text and colors, and you are done in minutes. It's fast, simple, and gives your app a premium look that stands out from the competition. I will leave a link below. Go check out the app launchpad and level up your app presentation today. Let's quickly explore the interface, and after the successful login, this is our dashboard. The first tab is, as we can see, we have selected create a design, and here we can access our existing design we are working on or we have already created. Next, here is our sizes, so iPhone, iPad, Android, and more screenshot sizes, custom size. The next is category, browse by category. So for example, we have selected App Store screenshot. This is by default selected. Here we can select a template and customize it. Okay, we can start from the scratch. So if you don't want to use these template, I highly recommend you to start with these template. But if you have already idea in your mind and you want to start from scratch, so here you can click and start from scratch. Okay, next, here is a pre-made template, which is a huge extensive library, as you can see, and it's cover basically all the application categories if you are working. So for example, like if you are working on a stock market or cryptocurrency or any educational yoga type, and every category it's covered, and this is pretty extensive library, believe me. Okay, so this is looking amazing. I really like every time when I visit and see their pre-made template, so it's really amazing. Okay, so look at this clean looking screenshot, and these are more creative touches, as we can see, with the vector shape used. These are pretty amazing. Okay, so we are going to start and create App Store screenshot for a copy shop app. And here is the first template. I like the color theme, the mobile style, and everything is perfect for me to create. So I'm going to start with this first template. Okay, so let's click, and here we are. As you can see, if you are first time using app launchpad, so this is the help center. You can visit and watch the 60-second tutorial, and other keyboard shortcut help guide is available here. Okay, so I'm going to close this, and the first thing I'm going to do is to rename my App Store screenshot. So this is copy shop app. Next, we have this undo and redo button. So if we make any mistakes, so we can here undo or we can redo. Okay, so here we have these tabs, and let's quickly explore these, and then we are going to start and designing our App Store screenshot. So the first tab is template. Again, we can access from the template if you change mind and we want to select a different template. So from here we can select a different template. Okay, and here we have elements. So for example, I want to change the style of the phone, or I don't like any, for example, I want to change the phone. So here we can access all the devices. As you can see, these are with all angles available, and as you can see, this is vector, which is amazing, and this is pretty extensive library. Okay, so the thing you have in mind and available in the app launchpad. So as you can see, this is like a iPhone 17 Pro is launched, and they have available the mockup. So this is really great. Okay, you don't have to worry about the latest phone. From the drop down, as you can see, we can select iPhone, we can select iPad, and we can select Android phone. Let's stick with the iPhone now. As you can see, we have the iPhone, and here we can select images. So for example, if you want to place some images like hand and other elements like icons or Play Store icon, logo, so all these things available for you to select and place it in your design to make it look great. Okay, and next we have this element tab, which is important one, and here as you can see, we have all these arrows. These are important, and this really make it call to action. All these shapes are available pre-made, and you don't have to create anything from the scratch. You can just select and place it in your design. Okay, next if we want to add text in our design, so we can add our text from here. Here we can select language, and also we can translate text, upload custom font, and here is the background. So if you want to change the background color, we can select color from here, or we can select color from the presets. This is pretty extensive list of colors, and also we have solid, gradient, and we can select images. So if you want to place image here in the background, we can select images from here and place it in our design. Here we have upload tab, so we can upload our screen. So first let's click on the upload. Okay, so I'm going to select my app screen. So as you can see, this is uploading. So the first thing I'm going to do is to change this text. So let's select the text, double click, and let's type. So this is the first text, and this text is going to be, click here, and as you can see, we can simply make it one line. And now let's select and bring it here. So this is looking perfect. Okay, and now we need to select the device. As you can see here, I have selected the device, and for the image I'm going to use this splash image, which is beautiful looking image. So as you can see, this is the copy image. We don't need 1 million user, so let's delete this text and let's bring the phone slightly up and here. Okay, this is now looking perfect. If you want to zoom out, we can click here and zoom out. Okay, and now next this is the next screen. So for the next screen, let's first change the text. So I'm going to double click here and type perfect balance. Okay, and for this text, I'm going to delete this text and click on the add text and add text. Here we are. So let's select and place the text here above. And for the fonts, I'm going to use Poppins. Click on search and type Poppins. Okay, and next I'm going to double click here and let's type. Okay, so let's click outside, and here we are going to align it to the left side. For the font size, I'm going to make it slightly smaller. Okay, so this is looking perfect. Here, as you can see, we have already placed a text. Let's delete this and click on the device and bring it here. Something like this. Okay, next let's change the image in the device. So for this second image is going to be this screen. Okay, so as you can see, now this is looking perfect. Let's bring closer this text, something like this. Okay, and slightly move up. Next, let's click on this shape and let's select this text and let's type. Okay, and for this text I'm going to use press escape key or click outside and let's align it here. Okay, and for the font size I'm going to decrease it to, let's try 70. Font size is 70, and let's fix frame again. So this is looking perfect now, and I think let's bring this closer to the text, the main headline, and here we are. Okay, and let's leave this app of the day. Okay, and now I'm going to change another screenshot here. So let's select this one. This is the menu, and here we are, and I'm going to zoom out, and as you can see, this is the 5 screen. So let's delete this one. Let's focus on 4 screen and let's zoom in back. Okay, and here we are. So for this last screen, I'm going to select this screenshot, or maybe let's add this picture. And for this text, I have already the text, so let's type. And for the second text, we are going to click on the text and add text. So as you can see, we have added our text. So let's place it here. First change the font, so I'm going to use Poppins. Let's click here and align it to the left side. Okay, so I'm going to make this in one line. Okay, let's change the text, click outside and make sure that it is set in one line. So as you can see, the text size is different, so let's make it 70 to match with the rest. Okay, and as you can see, our screenshot is ready and looking perfect. So it's time to make it localized. So for example, this is in English, and if you want to translate it to any language, we can. Okay, you have to click on the text, and here in the translate section, click on the drop down and select the language you want to translate. So for example, I select Chinese and click translate. Look at this, and this is looking amazing. We can translate it to German or any language we want. So for example, I select Dutch and translate, This is looking perfect. Okay, we can slightly adjust the text position, and here we are. So this is how we can translate our screenshot, and I'm going to press undo, and here we are. Okay, so as you can see, our screenshot is looking perfect, and I really like the layout and the structure of the screenshot. So now it's time to export our screenshot. So let's click on the download button, and as you can see, we have two options: download as a JPEG and download as a PNG. Normally I use both options. Okay, so first I want to download as a JPEG, click, and here we are. Now I'm going to click again on the download and download as a PNG. Okay, so as you can see, this is PNG version image1.png. Okay, and look at the preview. This is looking pretty high quality, and everything is looking perfect. And now we have both JPEG, so we don't have to worry about PNG or JPG. Both are looking perfect. Okay, so that's it, how you can localize and how you can finally export your design. And that's it. If you want to make your App Store screenshot look clean, professional, check out the App Launchpad.